Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Denelson Martinez, and today I will be doing a presentation on water vapor emission. First, I would like to start with an introduction. What is global warming? The overall warming of Earth due to trapped greenhouse gases. If I were to ask which is the most abundant greenhouse gas, most people will probably reply carbon dioxide. The most abundant greenhouse gas is actually water vapor. To your right, you will see the water cycle picture, which is important to the ecosystem and important to this presentation. So what is going on? The general water cycle process makes the water vaporize, as well as human activities and greenhouse gases. Water vapor traps the air's heat and causes more water vapor to be produced. This is known as the feedback process. And to your right, you will see how the sun provides some radiation and the heat is absorbed through the greenhouse gases, just like water vapor itself. So what are some human activities contributing to it? Irrigation is one of them. Irrigation is the water system used to water plants. Water vapor is emitted through evapotranspiration, water evaporation, and transpiration. Transpiration is water loss as it travels from the roots to the leaves of the plants. To your bottom right, you will see a picture of the difference between evaporation, precipitation, and transpiration. Another human activity is through the power plants. Water evaporation through cooling of the plant. Cold water warms as it passes through the power plant as shown in the diagram. Water vapor is emitted as the water is heated. You can see the cold water source, then the water goes up to the pump, then the water gets condensed, turns into warm water, and everything gets released through water vapor. So some known facts. Water vapor is mostly emitted through the water cycle process. While humans do contribute through it, it is a small part. But due to global warming, a small part can snowball into something more. And this all can have an impact on the climate. Climate change. So the lack of precipitation will lead to a lack of water, which promotes desertification. Another one would be the hotter troposphere due to the observation of the radiation. The process which is hard to slow due to the feedback process. Once again, it can snowball in the feedback process. It's a snowball itself. Another effect is the rise in storm capacity when the water is eventually precipitated. This leads to streets and houses flooding and infrastructure damage. In conclusion, while carbon dioxide and methane still produce the most impact to global warming as greenhouse gases, water vapor still causes climate change around the world. It can be more of a problem as the world heats and the feedback process is strengthened. This is why it is good to know a little bit about everything else. If any of you guys have any questions about it or would like to know more about it, these are some references I used. Thank you very much.